भाई ये हम आ गए गुड़गांव में, ठीक है। और अभी मेरे साथ में मिस्टर जे। यस मिस्टर जे, टॉक।
Okay, so we decide to dinner na. So I was thinking let's go for Leela na. Leela is very good place to dinner. They have different type of cuisine. If you need Japanese, they have Japanese food. If you need authentic South Indian, they have South Indian food. But we are Rajasthani.
We need dal and bati. Kati cha also.